In this video, we are going to create some folder over the NAS in the NAS, so we can mount it or attach to our computers. So I'm going to create on volume 1 first, and we'll do the volume 2 later. So first, you can give any name, whatever you like. I'm just going to do the LPC Proxmox. So I can say Proxmox file research, whatever I do here, and I can give space, how much data, how much space this will have. So it's, again, these are up to you, whatever size you and I give. This is just for test, so I'm going to give 1 terabyte. So, and later video I'll show you couple different way to host your Proxmox. So this is just for data. So, so same method I'm going to right here. I have to give the permission. Otherwise, will not have a rewrite permission. So I'm giving the LPC admin as a full control. Um, so again, in the photo, I have a lots of photos. I might, I'll give 2 terabyte for photo, so I can put all photo at one place. And media. So media where I will save all the YouTube videos and everything. So uh, I'll have all the ongoing project, future project at one place. So I'll create 2 more folder. I'll do this backup and 1 more personal folder where I can put personal file, all kind of thing. But I don't know. Yeah, right now I'm just trying to create and see how this thing will work. So giving any name doesn't matter. All good. Now this was on volume 1. So let's see first how it map out, and let's see what it does. Okay, so it's not going to work because we have not enabled file sharing, and we have to go to the control panel, file sharing, and right there where we have to enable it. But obviously you can read it. Whatever before you click on anything, you need to make sure what you are enabling. So Yeah. So it's mounted now. I mean, it's created, and I can add that to my network shared drive. So that's good. Now I do have to create another one for volume 2. So, but before I do that, I would have to give a full control kind of thing. So, yeah, volume 1 is done. Now, volume 2. So I'm trying to pull the picture couple folder of the, and drop it in this network drive to see how that works. Because the reason I'm doing this, they have a delete duplication. So, I do have a lots of duplicate photos and, different places. So I'm going to drop it. I'm not going to cut and paste. I'm just going to copy and paste. So I'm going to test on this drive to see if they really remove the duplicate file or by the name or how they are doing it. So that's what I'm trying to find, the one that I can copy from. So now this will take lots of time. So I will do this copy, and once it's done, I'll do the test and I'll update you. Probably it'll take like a couple hour or days. So, and I'm just exploring what other thing I can do here, but there is nothing else. I'm just looking for everything that I have there. I'm looking for the duplication, file duplication, if there is any option. But I didn't find any right now because I don't have any photos there. So I think I'll see it once I have a photo in the folder or file in the folder. So let's see what happened after that. But next video I'll make it how to create iSCSI link here, so I can start testing my Proxmox and VM environment. That's the reason I bought this, not folder and picture kind of thing. I wanted to test with the virtual environment. So I will do that, create a video, and upload that for you guys. And thank you for watching. It might not, not be next week, but after that, um, let you know. Keep subscribe the channel so you can get updated videos, notifications. Thank you.